few months ago, I snagged my wooden longboard, completely damaged beyond repair. Now I just got myself a used longboard, classic shape with single fin. It's always a good idea to have a longboard lying around ready for those small days or when the waves are not in perfect condition. It's the rainy season now, but the sky is kinda sunny at the moment. Let's hit the beach and see what the ocean got for us today. Here we are at Batu Bolong. Waves are looking big, but kinda choppy and inconsistent. Probably too much for the longboard, but I'm already here, so I'll just give it a shot.